So here's what I want to do. I want to cut this, but for what I'm about to do, I've never honestly done before, so this is going to be my first time, and I didn't want to do it alone, so hence why I'm making this video. Hey Glam Dolls, so this video is very much unconventional simply because I'm about to literally alter one of my wigs, and I'm so nervous about it because truth be told, for what I'm about to do, I ain't never done before. So the wig I'm talking about is this wig right here. This wig is the HD Wet Wave wig by Red Carpet Premiere, and if you're a glam doll that's familiar to Red Carpet Premiere, then you would know that their name used to be Isis from the Isis collection. However, due to that name, they had to change it, you know, so they changed it to Red Carpet Premiere. However, they're also known as Main Concept. Now, when it comes to Main Concept, they are the leading hair manufacturer and distributor within the hair industry, okay? So this wig right here is from their HD Wet Wave line, and this is what it looks like soon as you get it out of its packaging. I love the color of the wig. Absolutely love the color of this wig. But I don't like how the wig looks on me when I put it on. But this is what it's looking like. You got two combs right here. A comb in the nape of the neck. And you also have adjustable straps. So this is what the wig looks like on me. And as they said, you know, this is the baby hair right here. Never mind the baby hair. We're going to get past that. But what I can't get past is how this wig is looking on me. So here's what I want to do. I want to cut this, but for what I'm about to do, I've never honestly done before, so this is going to be my first time, and I didn't want to do it alone, so hence why I'm making this video. So what I'm going to do is take some like rubber band and pre-part the hair on where the length is that I feel it should be. Okay, so I'm thinking go short a little at a time because I don't want to F this wig up. Lord, I've never done this before. I'm so nervous now. I don't want to F this wig up, so I'm thinking I go like this. I'm praying to the hair gods while I'm doing this. I'm praying to the hair gods. Spare me. Anyway, so I'm thinking, you know, why do I feel like I look like Raggedy Ann right now? Anyway, I'm thinking like this, right? And then I'm going to cut. Is this even? Okay. I'm going to cut underneath, okay? I got some scissors. I had to turn this camera on so y'all can do this with me. So if I F it up, you F'd it up too with me. Okay, enough rambling, Glam. Let's get to it. Okay. Okay, I did. Let's do the second one. Let's do the second one. Ready? Here we go. Let's come up a little bit. Okay. Cut, 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 cut. Oh, this one was cut a little bit short. Don't this one look shorter? Okay, wait a minute. Put that in the garbage. Jesus, I think this one is shorter. Okay. Let's come up just a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I think I done F this up. I think it's gonna be lopsided. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so this is all the hair. Oh my Lord. All right, let's see. Do it look better? Is it even? I'm going to play around with this. Ooh, just cut another piece. I'm going to leave it alone. And I'm going to play around with it, get her curls in there, do my makeup, and I'm going to come right back to this camera. Okay, this is the end result. Yeah. To say I didn't know what the heck I was doing, I'm going to say I did a pretty fairly decent job. I mean, yeah, it came out pretty decent. Really, I just uploaded this video, you know, just in case if there was one of you out there like myself who spent their money, their coin, you know, on some hair, and you know, you got home, you was excited, or it came in the mail, you was excited, you put it on and it just wasn't what you know, expected. And truth be told, at least right now, we're still in the middle of a pandemic, so there's really no such thing as a refund nowadays. And I know for me, I don't have no money to waste, especially during this pandemic. So the only next best thing for me to do was to make it my own. So this is what I came up with. And when I cut it, this is all the hair that I got off. Whew. Okay, I like it. Oh, here's the front, you know, the side. I think I got it pretty even, right? The side, the back, the side, and the front. And like I said, this was Kendra, and I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. Yeah, I like it. So that's enough for this video. As I said, you know, I was just sharing this video in case there was any one of you out there that was going through like what I was going through, but refuse to let your money go to waste. Yeah, don't feel like you're alone, because look, you was just watching me. So on that note, this is now going to conclude the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything will be down in the description box below, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dogs.